Asus Zenfone 3 Laser. With their latest refresh to the Zenfone lineup, Asus is offering consumers several different options to choose from. We already reviewed the Zenfone 3 Deluxe and Zenfone 3, and have also covered the more recent and less traditional Zenfone 3 Zoom and Zenfone R. Unfortunately, the Zenfone 3 Laser is only available with 2 GB of RAM, which is a major bottleneck when attempting to multitask. Consider this situation: you are listening to some music on Spotify and would like to do a quick Google search. Unlike virtually every device with more memory, the Zenfone 3 Laser will likely stop your music once you load a web page. The Asus Zenfone 3 Laser is an unlocked dual-SIM smartphone, meaning that you can use it with up to 2 different GSM carriers simultaneously. We rarely see this feature here in the US, so this could be a major selling point for some prospective buyers. Since it's being sold officially, you can expect it to work with 4G LTE on both AT&T and T-Mobile, with support for Band 12. The Asus Zenfone 3 Laser is packing a 3000 mAh battery, which translated to excellent battery life during our testing. Even when using the phone for more than 24 hours, we were still able to achieve over 4.5 hours of screen on time. When we used the phone more heavily, we were still able to achieve 12 hours of use with 6.5 hours of screen on time. The Zenfone 3 Laser 13MP f/2.0 camera captures images that are about average in terms of quality. Excellent cameras are pretty much unheard of at this price, so we can forgive many of the shortcomings here. The Zenfone 3 Laser runs Asus Zen UI 3.0 Skin over Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. It's evident that Asus puts a lot of effort into its software, which can't always be said about phones sold at this price point. All things considered, you're getting one of the better software experiences out there.